Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to be discussing the word spacing property in CSS. What is word spacing? Word spacing is a property that allows you to adjust the amount of space between words in your text. By default, the space between words is determined by the font you're using, but with the word spacing property, you can adjust that spacing to your liking. Let's get started. Following along from the previous videos, you should already have the index.html file set up to point to an external CSS file. From here, we're going to clear out the code inside the body tags. If you do not already have this set up, pause the video and take a moment to add this code to your index.html file, as well as create a separate file called styles.css inside a CSS folder. I've also included links in the description where you can find the code to get you started. Open Live Server if you don't already have it open. First, in the index.html file, let's add a couple of h1 headings and a couple of lengthy paragraphs. Since the paragraphs are a bit longer, I'm going to copy and paste them in. First one is h1. Call this the default word spacing. Then I'm going to paste in the first paragraph. Pause the video and take a moment to type this in if you want, or copy and paste it from the resources in the description. Second H1, I'm going to say 10 px word spacing. Then I'm going to paste the second paragraph in, and also give it an ID of non-default word spacing. So pause the video and take a moment to type this in if you want, or again, you can copy and paste from the resources in the description. Now over in the styles.css file, let's clear out the styles from the previous video. And then let's style the non-default word spacing ID. And let's give it a word spacing of 10 pixels. Go ahead and try different values and units to see what happens. But as you can see, there's spaces between each of the words, which looks very different from the default word spacing. Negative values are allowed here as well, which will actually bring the words closer than their default to a point where they may overlap. And that's it for today's video on the word spacing property in CSS. Whether you're looking to add some extra breathing room to your text or bring it in closer together, word spacing is a great tool to have in your CSS arsenal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description for additional resources. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.